Hi everyone, I'm Siddhant West. Today I'm going to present my presentation on Midtown Bank strategy expansion. I have divided my presentation in 7 parts. In the first part, that is introduction, I will discuss about the problem statement, summarize the whole project pipeline. Secondly, I will discuss about the purpose of analysis. Thirdly, I will briefly talk about the data information and its model that I implemented on the data. After that, I will show you my live dashboard embedded on presentation and try to interpret different graphs and charts and identify customer spending behavior trend, market insight, and based on occupation, city, gender, and category. And the last part is the conclusion. We will discuss it later. So let's begin the first part, that is introduction. Midtown Bank is a legacy financial institution headquartered based in Hyderabad. They want to introduce a new line of credit card aiming to broaden its product offering and increase its reach in the financial market. They provided a sample data set of 4,000 customers across 5 cities on their online spend and other details. We are going to provide insight through data analysis by identifying customer behavior pattern and its needs based on their spending and make informed decision making, guiding the bank strategy in the new credit card expansion project. Now the next part is purpose or objective. So basically its main objective is to understand customer spending behavior pattern and identify its needs so that it can help the bank to strategically tailor these credit cards to meet the diverse needs and preferences of the customer base while aligning with the market trends and opportunities. The next part is data information. Mitsun Bank has given two CSV files for data analysis. First one is dimcustomers.csv file and second one is factspend.csv file. After loading these files in Power BI, we have some information regarding the files. Customer file has 4,000 data of customer based on different cities, gender, average income, occupation and marital status. And second file has 8,60,000 of data based on spending on category, month, payment type, how much they spend on purchasing. Next slide is data model. After knowing detailed information of data, we do extract, transform and load the data process in Power BI. I have made some key measure calculation like average income per month, income utilization rate, total average spend, total spend, total customer, both male and female. You can see these information in the key metrics in this slide. I've also made one table for month table having two column name. One is month and the other one is month number. For example, for January month, the month number is 1. For February month number is 2 and so on. Next we have a dashboard in PPT. I have included page navigator. Their names are demographic insight, expenditure pattern, customer income utilization, key metrics 1 and key metrics 2. In left side corner, we have some filter based on city, payment type, occupation, age, group, gender, and marital status. I have also included month style below the page navigator. In demographic insight, we have three cards: total number of customer, average income, total spend. Now next we have in dashboard, that is expenditure pattern based on consumer spending behavior. I have made one bar chart based on category and 5 column chart based on customer age group, total spend by age group and month, and as you can see it in dashboard in expenditure pattern page. Next page is customer income utilization rate. As you know, the higher the average income utilization rate of the customer is more likely to use credit card for its needs like bills, groceries, travel, health, etc. In this dashboard, I have plotted graph based on income utilization rate, based on its occupation, payment type, and total spend on categories like bills, groceries, health, etc. The last two pages of the dashboard are Key Metrics 1 and Key Metrics 2. In Key Metrics 1, individual customer details are presented in tabular form based on occupation, total spend, average income per month, income utilization rate, gender, and city. In Key Metric 2, credit card users are represented in table form with donut chart based on category tables, total spend, and customer income utilization rate. Key insight: after the data analysis on Power BI, I have divided it into three parts. One is First one is demographic insight. Second one is expenditure pattern based on consumer spending behavior. And third one is customer income utilization rate. First one will we describe demographic insight. We will explain in next slide. Demographic insight. From the Power BI dashboard, we found that there are two age groups, 24 to 34 and 34 to 45 years old, spend most among the others age group. Mumbai-based residents spend more among the five cities. Delhi NCR comes second in terms of expenditure. Salary IT employees emerges as the most prominent potential customer segment. Expenses are mostly paid through credit card by customer. Males spend more in terms of expenditure other than the female counterpart. The next slide is expenditure pattern. The customer spends major portion of his income towards bills, groceries, electronics, health, etc. Salary IT employees and freelancers stand out as the highest spender in various categories. Customers spend the most in August and September month. Banks should align the credit card features with more loyalty programs or promotion to maximize customer engagement. To maximize the customer engagement. Customer income utilization. Higher the average income utilization rate of customer is more likely to use credit card for its needs like bills, groceries, travel, food, health, entertainment, etc. Salary IT employees has the highest average income per month and also has highest utilization income highest average income utilization rate 51% and followed by freelancer with 46% as second. Major portion of their income goes towards bill, groceries, electronics. Based on occupation, both salaries, IT employees, and freelancer make major portion of payment through credit card. Mumbai has the highest average income utilization rate. After observing the key insight, we have reached conclusion to increase the credit card user. First one is that the focus marketing effort on the 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 age group due to their high credit card usage based on Mumbai and Delhi NCR region. Second one is regularly update promotion and offer to align with evolving consumer behavior. Third one is explore partnership or introduce specialized reward or discount to boost spending in bill, groceries, electronic, food, health, travel categories to further enhance credit card usage. Fourth one is introduce exclusive benefit for salaried other employees and business owners to increase their average income utilization. And fifth one is align credit card feature with peak spending month like August and September. Plan seasonal promotional around July and October months to further maximize customer engagement.